Hello everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to speak English fluently and confidently. So you watch this video till the end because in this video, I will completely explain about these things and along with it, I will explain about how to speak English easily, well and quickly without any hesitation, fear and shame. Okay, so without further delay, let's begin the video. Here, I know you are here to maintain your English fluency and confidence. Yes, of course, why not? You can maintain your English fluency and confidence, but here you have to notice one thing which is most important for you all. To improve or to maintain English fluency and confidence are not easy. Both will be easy when you will work on these things. As you know that everything takes time like that. Both also takes time, okay? But if you really want to improve or if you really want to maintain your English fluency and confidence, if you really want to speak English in front of everyone, you have to work on these things very easily, quickly and well, because these things plays most important role in English speaking. Okay, that's why I always suggest you, as well as I am still suggesting you, you must try to speak English as much as possible you can. Here I would like to tell you, you must have noticed one thing which is most important. Everything depends on practice. Okay, no one can speak English fluently and confidently without practice. That's why you also need to practice as much as possible. You have a lots of requirement of English speaking speed, English speaking practice, English thinking, English understanding. Overall fluency and confidence are based on English speaking speed, practice, English thinking, understanding. Okay, I hope you have understood about English fluency. If you would say what is English fluency, here I would like to tell you the ability to speak or write a language easily, well and quickly, that is called English fluency. Okay, I hope you have understood about English fluency. English fluency and confidence are not too much difficult. Both will be easy when you will work on these things regular every day. If you will not quit every single day to achieve English fluency, to maintain English fluency and confidence, I guarantee you one day you will definitely maintain your English fluency and confidence. Guys, let me one thing. Why everyone wants to speak fluent English? Because everyone likes English fluency. I know you also like English fluency. Because you also want to speak English fluently and confidently. Yes, I know. If you really want to command on English fluency and confidence, you must have work on these things. What are these things? English speaking, practice, English thinking, English understanding. Okay, it means that to speak English fluently also takes a lot of energy. Yes, of course. If you try to speak English continue, you will invest your a lots of energy while speaking English. Like me, I am making you understand that how to speak English fluently and confidently. Well, you can see me very well. How am I investing my energy too much? Okay, like me, you can also invest your energy while speaking. If you don't invest your energy, you will be not capable to speak English. Everything takes energy. After that, these things makes us strong. If you do practice more and more, if you speak English more and more, after that you will be automatically capable to speak English fluently and confidently. I guarantee you guys, everyone does this. Okay, guys, here I would like to tell you, to speak English fluently and confidently or to maintain English fluency and confidence are not sufficient. Means both are not everything, both are not enough. You have to maintain, but first of all you must have focus on this thing. What are the things? Let's see. Thing number one is that consistency. What is consistency? Consistency means if you want to command on anything, you have to maintain your consistency on that thing. Because consistency plays most important role in achieving everything. No one can achieve everything without consistency. It's up to you how do you maintain your consistency. You must have to focus on your consistency, as well as you must have to maintain your consistency. After that, you will be automatically improve your English speaking. Second thing is that persistence. Persistence means to decide to do anything. It means that take decision to do anything. If you really want to command on English fluency and confidence, you must have to become persistent and after that you will be capable to speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, if you are going to improve your English fluency and confidence, first of all, you have to determine that I want to complete this task. No one can achieve anything without persistence or determination or decision. First of all, you take decision for maintain or command your own English speaking fluency and speaking confidence. Okay, and after that, you will work on your determination regular means every day. And third thing is that practice. Everyone tells about you do practice, you do practice. Why do everyone tell about you do practice, you do practice? Because and it can change everything in yourself. First of all, you have to believe in yourself, and after that, everything will be automatically. And the fourth thing is that thinking. Why do I always emphasize on thinking? You must think in English, you must think in English. Because thinking also plays most important role in English speaking, as well as everyone thinks in English. You think before speaking. If you work on English thinking every day means continuously, guys, one day you will become a good person as well as you will become a good English speaker. And the fifth thing is that understanding about English speaking. It means that whatever you try to speak English in English, first of all, you try to understand those things in English, those words in English, and after that, you try to speak English fluently and confidently. Understanding will be easy when you will work on understanding regular, means every day, consistently. Gradually, you will be capable to do anything. And these things are very wonderful things as well as very great thing for you all, and these things will really help you to maintain or to improve your English fluency and confidence, because nothing is impossible in this world. So what is fluency and confidence? Both are simple. If you work on these things regular, one day you will be capable to get fluency and confidence very easily, clearly. And if you didn't understand my point, my speech, you don't forget to comment me. What have you learned or what have you not learned? Here I would like to tell you one thing. You must focus on these things. If you really want to speak English fluently and confidently in front of anyone, first of all, you must have to focus on your concentration. Means, first of all, you must have to train your subconscious mind or brain. At that time, you don't think about fear, hesitation, as well as shame. Because everyone is human being, that's why you don't feel hesitation, fear, and shame. I hope you have understood about my all things, my speeches, my points, okay? If you have understood about my all things, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.